SpaceX AI and its 1.77 trillion IPO. As I'm recording this, something just happened on the Nasdaq that has never happened before in the history of the stock market. A company tied to Elon Musk went public today, and within minutes the stock jumped nearly 30%. The kicker? Its market value is around $1.77 trillion. That's not a typo. Trillion with a T. The single largest IPO ever recorded. Few months ago, when his rocket company SpaceX acquired his AI company XAI in $1.25 trillion, that was the largest merger ever. Today I'm breaking down exactly what happened, the top 10 features of AI division of SpaceX, and the question Wall Street is actually asking, is this how the world gets its first trillionaire? Hello and Namaste, I am Pratima Godse at NextGen Artificial Intelligence. This video is also available in other 21 languages. So go ahead, check on YouTube settings audio track and select your language. If you follow AI and tech, today is one of those days you'll remember. So hit subscribe because I cover these moments the day they happen, not a week later when everyone's already moved on. Let's get into it. Let's rewind to February. Most people missed it, but Elon Musk announced that SpaceX, his rocket company, acquired XAI, his artificial intelligence company. One Musk company buying another Musk company. The combined valuation, $1.25 trillion. SpaceX was valued at around 1 trillion, XAI at roughly 250 billion. At the time, it became the largest corporate merger in history. Now, why would a rocket company buy an AI startup? It sounds random. It's not. And I'll explain the genius behind it in a second. But first, the reason we're all talking about this today. That merger set the stage for SpaceX to go public. And today, June 12th, it did. Ticker symbol SPCX priced at $135 a share, valuing the company at about $1.77 trillion. To put that in perspective, that's larger than the IPO of any company you've ever heard of. Bigger than Facebook's, bigger than Alibaba's. This is the new record, and it's not close. And one detail that's a big deal for regular people, Musk reportedly pushed to reserve up to 30% of the shares for retail investors, everyday buyers like you and me, versus the usual 5 to 10%. That's unusual, and it's part of why this stock is moving so hard today. Here's the strategy nobody saw coming. Musk's stated reason for the merger was one phrase: orbital data centers. Think about it. AI is hungry, not for food, for electricity. Every time you ask a chatbot a question, somewhere a data center is burning power and generating heat that has to be cooled. As AI scales, the limit isn't smart engineers, the limit is energy. Musk's argument is blunt. Global electricity demand for AI cannot be met on Earth alone. So his solution? Put the data centers in space. Solar-powered, in orbit, where the sun never sets and cooling is basically free. And who's the one company on Earth that can launch massive amounts of hardware into orbit cheaply? SpaceX, with Starship. So the merger suddenly makes total sense. XAI brings the AI models, SpaceX brings the rockets, the Starlink network and the launch capability to build compute in orbit. One vertically integrated machine, from the chatbot on your phone to satellites in the sky. SpaceX's President Gwynne Shotwell said it plainly today. They now see themselves as an infrastructure company and a serious competitor in the AI cloud space. Even said they'll be putting compute in orbit soon. That's the vision investors are buying into today. Okay, so what exactly did SpaceX get for $250 billion? Let's count down the 10 features that make XAI's Grok one of the most aggressive players in AI right now. Number 10 to number 1. Number 10. Orbital AI infrastructure, the newest and wildest one. Through the SpaceX merger, XAI now has a path to solar-powered data centers in space. No other AI company on Earth has that, literally. Number 9. Real-time data. Most AI models are frozen in time, trained on old data. Grok plugs directly into X and the live web, so it knows what's happening right now, not what happened last year. Number 8. Native multimodal. Grok doesn't just read text, it understands images and video natively. You can show it things, not just tell it. Number 7. Think mode. Grok's extended reasoning mode works through problems step by step and reportedly has one of the lowest hallucination rates on the market. Translation: it makes fewer things up. Number 6, the Colossus 2 supercluster. This is the engine room, a gigawatt-scale supercomputer with hundreds of thousands of next-gen GPUs. We're talking enough power to run a small city dedicated entirely to AI. Number 5, production-ready documents. Grok generates finished Word docs, PowerPoint decks, Excel sheets, and PDFs, formatted and ready to send. Invoices, pitch decks, budgets, done. Number 4, custom skills. You can build your own reusable automations, personalized tasks. Grok runs on demand. It's turning the chatbot into a productivity hub. Number 3, Grok Build. A dedicated coding model built for agentic workflows, meaning it takes multi-step actions on its own, not just spitting out a single answer, with a massive context window for big code bases. Number 2, Grok Imagine Video. XAI's video generator turns a single image into cinematic, audio-included video, and it climbed to the top of the image-to-video leaderboards, beating some of the biggest names in AI video. And number 1, the flagship Grok model itself. With a 1 million token context window, native video input, and built-in reasoning, it scores near the top of independent intelligence benchmarks. That's the package. Rockets with artificial intelligence. Now, I'm not here to hype you into anything, so let's be balanced. The bull case: SpaceX has real revenue. Starlink alone has over 8 million subscribers and brings in billions. Add XAI's models on top, plus the orbital data center vision, and you've got a genuinely unique company. The bear case, and this matters: XAI is reportedly burning around $1 billion a month. Analysts have flat out warned that IPOs this big carry equally big risks, and that investors should focus on fundamentals and verifiable numbers, not just an exciting story. There's also been regulatory scrutiny around Grok in multiple regions. So a 30% pop on day one is exciting, but day one pops don't tell you what a stock does over years. Here's the headline everyone's dancing around. Musk is already the richest person on the planet. This deal doesn't make him a millionaire, it pushes him towards something no human has ever been, a trillionaire. When your rocket company and your AI company merge into a $1.77 trillion entity and you own a huge slice of it, the math starts pointing somewhere. History has never gone. Whether it actually happens depends on where SPCX trades in the months ahead. But the question is officially on the table. So that's the story, the biggest IPO ever, powered by a rocket company that bought an AI company to build data centers in space. What do you think? Genius vertical integration or a bubble waiting to pop? Drop your take in the comments. If this broke it down for you, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you to be a part of our AI journey. See you in the next one.